Hey guys, it's Trent from Sunday. Really excited to present to you our new pet lawn products. These are gonna help reduce urine damage on your grass. Each of these products contain a blend of tetraploid ryegrass and tall fescue seed. We tested over 160 different varieties to find the right combination. We have our pet lawn grass seed, which you can either overseed or freshly seed a lawn, and our pet lawn berry repair. It's gonna make for a lawn that's easier to maintain, more robust to pet urine damage. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to apply our pet lawn berry repair. Just open up the jug and sprinkle a good amount on your bare spot. Apply about 1 cup per 1 square foot of berry repair to cover the entire area. Water once to twice daily to make sure the seeds stay moist. They'll establish themselves in about 2 to 3 weeks. We have a full line of pet repair products at Sunday to make sure you have a happy dog and a healthy lawn.